Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to download the program from PLC S7-200 SMART CPU SR30 with analog input EMAR02. In this section, I will use software Step7 MicroWin SMART version 2.5 and use the PPI cable that connect from PLC to our PC. Okay, and I will use 220 volt AC supply to the PLC. Yes, and also connected the ground cable. Okay. So to upload and download the program, first we need to connect the PPI cable from the PLC to the PC port. Okay, it is the USB port, and here is the RS 485 port. Okay, so let's go to our software to upload and download or modify the program for test with the PPI cable. Okay, so let's go. Here is the PLC S7 here is the software S7-200 SMART version 2.5, and if we have the backup file, example I have the backup file here, so we can open and then download to the PLC directly. Okay, so let me test if I use the backup file like this. So first I will communication between PC and PLC. Yes, let's test here. So right now I'm not yet connect the PPI cable to the PC between PLC. So let me connect it. Okay, and I will choose the use visual machine because right now I use VMware player for test. So let me click OK and go to the communication again, and then choose the PC PPI cable. Yes, driver. Okay, wait a moment for communication between our PC to the PLC. Okay, so right now it found one CPU, address number 2, and baud rate 9.6 kilobyte per sec. Let's click OK, and then let me download the program to the PLC. So press this button to download, and I need to stop the CPU. Yes, if we download, we need to stop the CPU. Let me show the status of CPU right now. Okay, right now the CPU is running, and if I push the yes button, it will stop. Yes, and then download the program to the PLC, and after that the program is already downloaded to the PLC, and press yes again to run the CPU. Yes, and click close, and we can online to see the status by press this button. Yes, so now we can online. Okay, so right now I connected the PT100 from channel number 1 and number 2 of analog input. So channel number 1 is show around 28-27 degrees Celsius, and channel number 2 it show around 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if I hit the PT100, let's see, I hit channel number okay, I hit channel number 2. So let's see, the number 2 is start increase. Yes. And I will hit the channel number 1, 2. Let's see. Channel number 2 is channel number 1 is start increase also. Okay. So if I would like to modify the program, yes, let me modify. Example, let me use comparator. Yes. Example, this is a real, right? So let me less than real, or greater than real. Yes. Here, greater than or equal real. So MD 0. Example, greater than or equal 45.0. I would like to on the output. Example, Q 0.0. Yes. And for channel number 2 also, yes, for channel number 2. So I will use greater than or equal real. Yes. MD4. Greater than or equal 50.0. So I will let the output number 2, yes. So Q 0.1 is turned on. Okay. So we can save and then download to the program, to the PLC. Yes. Okay, and then we can online to check. Okay, so right now the temperature channel number 1 around 38.9, channel number 2 around 32.9. So all output is turned off. Okay, so let me hit the temperature sensor to be greater than 45. Yes, and let's see the output status. So let me hit the channel number 1 first. Okay, now turn on because it greater than equal 45. I will hit channel number 2 also. Okay, it turn on also because it greater than 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let me show the status of output. Okay, let's see the output 0.0 and 0.1 is turned on right now because the temperature is over that we setting. Okay, so it will turn off if the temperature is decreased lower than 45 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius for channel number 2. Okay, and we also can upload the program. Let me show. I will close this one all. Yes. And then I will use the program. Yes, use the software Step7 MicroWin SMART version 2.5 to upload the program. Okay. So it is the blank document here. So first I will go to upload button. Yes. Check the communication first. Click find CPU. Okay. And then click OK. And click the upload button to upload the program from the PLC to our PC. Okay. So let's click button upload. And if we would like to save, we can click save. Project 1 of PLC Smart. Okay. And click upload button again to upload the program from PLC to the PC. Okay. So wait a moment for uploading. Okay. So right now it was successfully for uploading. So we can online and check. Yes. So we can got all the program and all hardware configuration that we already configure here. So we can upload, download and modify program by using the PPI cable. Okay. So actually this PLC we can use LAN cable also. Yes. That I already show in the previous video. We use the LAN cable by set the IP address of computer to match with the PLC. So we can modify the program, upload, download and create a new program also. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. But if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.